In today's video, I'm going to teach you all about Google Docs, a versatile, free, web-based word processor from Google. Google Docs allows you to create, edit, and collaborate on documents from virtually anywhere and at any time, making it an invaluable tool for both personal and professional use. To start using Google Docs, you need to know how to access it. Simply open your preferred web browser and head over to docs.google.com. If you already have a Google account, you can sign in directly. If not, don't worry. Creating an account is free and just takes a few minutes. Once you're signed in, you're ready to begin. Creating a new document is straightforward. On the main screen, look for the plus blank button. Clicking this will start a fresh blank document for you. If you're working on something specific, such as a report, letter, or resume, you might want to explore the various templates available. These templates provide a great starting point and can help you streamline your work. As you begin typing your text, you'll notice a range of basic editing tools available in the toolbar. Here, you can adjust the font style, size, and color to match your preferences or project requirements. And if you want to emphasize or structure your text, options like bold, italic, and underline are at your fingertips. You can also insert bulleted or numbered lists to organize information effectively, and aligning your text to the left, center, or right is just a click away. One of the standout features of Google Docs is its collaboration capabilities. By clicking the Share button in the top right corner of your document, you can invite others to join you by entering their email addresses. From here, you can select whether they can view, comment, or edit your document. This means you can collaborate in real time with colleagues, classmates, or friends, making teamwork more efficient and productive. Once you've started working on a document, you'll be relieved to know that Google Docs automatically saves your work to Google Drive. This means you never have to worry about losing your progress and can access your documents from any device with an internet connection. Whether you're using a desktop, tablet, or smartphone, your documents are always within reach. Google Docs is packed with useful features designed to enhance your productivity. Take voice typing, for instance, which is accessible through Tools, Voice Typing, allowing for hands-free typing. The Comments feature lets you add notes or suggestions for collaborators without altering the main content. Plus, if you ever need to see previous versions of your document, head to File Version History for a detailed revision history. There's a broad range of uses for Google Docs across various fields. Teachers can create lesson plans, share assignments, and provide feedback to students effortlessly. Employees can draft reports, collaborate on projects, and maintain meeting notes seamlessly. And for everyday citizens, it's perfect for writing letters, filling out applications, or drafting community documents. And there you have it. That's an overview of Google Docs. I hope this guide helps you make the most out of this amazing resource. Thank you for watching, and happy writing!